when you're working on a diesel heater, what you can do to clean the glow plug encasement is just take some cable like this. You can get it anywhere. Harbor Freight carries it. Cut yourself a piece off, wrap it in tape, and then kind of fray the ends a little bit. You could get fancy with it, spot weld it, do whatever, but it's simple just to tape it and take your drill. We have our glow plug threads right there and our fuel line that comes in. So anybody that knows anything about these diesel heaters, they'll recognize this part. And guys spend a fortune on brake cleaner and carb cleaner, and that's okay, you can use it, but why spray cans of it inside where your glow plug goes? It'll go pretty far in. You just want to clean the area up. If you want to use some cleaner on it after that, that's fine. Make sure that your oxygen hole or your air hole is clean. Now that's with the screen removed. You'd probably reuse these screens. I'm going to reuse it. I don't see any need to change it. And I do have some screen like this, so I could actually make another piece. They're a little difficult to get out, but you can get them out. Not too big of a deal. I'm going to reuse mine. What do I got to lose? Save some money on some parts. Have a great day.